Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at JeepsterMan.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
Name's Mike Myers. Go by Low Enough on the CJ2A page, and this is my 1945 CJ2A, serial number 100163. It was a project picked up out of Alabama back in 2006, and it was a complete nut and bolt restoration. It took 7 years to do. It's been done now, completed since the end of 2013. So you see all the patina on it. Needless to say, the patina is where we're at. We wanted to be a used Jeep, not a trailer queen.
What, this is Harvest Tan?
Harvest Tan with the sunset, they call that sunset red, but yeah, it's actually orange.
It's orange.
Yeah, pumpkin orange. It is one of the first 1,824 Jeeps that was made that incorporated the column shift instead of the floor shift. It's fully set up with PTO, and you'll see here in a minute out the back, it's got the drum pulley with the paper drum pulley, governor, the whole 9 yards.
That's good. The top looks really good.
Drivetrain, all numbers match. I made the bows for the framework. Jeff Petrovich did the canvas for me. 90% of this restoration involved sourcing out NOS parts over the course of about 7 years. Right now, since it's been done in 2013, we've put about 4,000 miles on it. It has been to the top of Mount Princeton in the Rockies in Colorado twice.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool. So you're running it.
I've got video of Joe Friday, aka Keith Buckley, driving this on one of the trails, traversing a downed log in the trail.
Nice.
So
I'm glad you're using it.
yeah, absolutely. And I just recently set it up in a trust fund for my 2-year-old grandson, that this will become his.
That's cool. That's cool.
So
That's a hell of a Jeep, man.
thank you. Labor of love, that's for sure. A lot of people involved in it. Almost too many to mention.
Perfect.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the Jeepsterman, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.